Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of TechThursday. As some of you might notice, eurolaser has developed a new product, the Twin Table, and that's why I'm here with Daniel, our design engineer, and Nicolas from the sales department to tell us something about the new system. Let's start with you, Nicolas. Why was the Twin Table developed?
Here we have a customer from the automotive industry who's cutting adhesive tapes. And they need a permanent vacuum because they have a process with multiple steps where they apply layer after layer and cut through one or multiple layers at a time, but in between they have to do the shoveling.
Oh, quite interesting. And Daniel, what's so special about the construction?
Well, our design has 3 sides of accessibility of the machine table to load and unload the machine table. We have got 2 machine tables, so one can be processed during the other is loaded or unloaded. You can use either one or both tables coupled. It is easy to clean, and last but not least, these tables have vacuum all the time, so even if you're unloading or at another stage process, you can have vacuum on that table.
But why do we use the permanent vacuum as a method of material fixation?
Permanent vacuum is simply the most gentle way to treat material. If you would use clamping, for example, you might see notches on the material. If you would glue it to the tape, you might have residue. And of course, if you use the vacuum, it's also very easy to apply, and you can cut on the whole material. You don't have any clamps to avoid.
Got it. And which applications benefit from this system?
This specific type of system has 2 main applications where it's very useful. First of all, if you have rather small lot sizes and you want to cut on one side of the system while the other one is loaded and unloaded. And secondly, if you have these kinds of processes where you have multiple steps and need the permanent vacuum.
In the end, one last question for you. What challenges arose during the construction?
Our design process is always challenging, but we have to fit in several requirements. For example, easy manufacturing, easy assembly, easy service, easy use of the machine. So fitting all these requirements are quite challenging. So it's a whole design process.
Thanks to the both of you.
You're welcome.
And if this video caught your attention, make sure to click on demonstration apartment in Lüneburg. Thanks for watching. Bye.